To save battery life in Z Fold 6, the first way is we will start in our settings, then scroll all the way down until you see the device care option. Inside of this option, the first way is under the performance profile, we will change this from standard to light. So this will reduce the processor speed very slightly. You shouldn't really notice a difference. If you do, you can set it back to standard. Now the second way is we scroll up and we see the battery option. Inside of this one, we see power saving, and if you turn this one on, this will significantly improve battery life. Do note, when you first get your Z Fold 6, it will learn your usage pattern, so the first couple of days the battery drain will be more than expected, but afterwards you should have generally good battery life.